my old front winch, and then it wasn't strong enough, so I got a bigger one. This is 2,500, but I think it's worn out and caked in mine. The one on the front is 4,000. I chained it to a tree and pulled the seat.
What was that? All right, it's a mix rated.
Got extra gas there? Well, the thing is it rated at 2,500 pounds? Well, there's no cable on it. For the first wrap of the cable around the drum, it's 2,500.
Oh, yeah.
Then it's 2,000. And then it's like 1,500.
Yeah.
And it keeps going down.
Yeah.
That one, even with the full spool of cable, is like 3,200 pounds. That's why I got it.
Yeah, I found out he had an MRI Thursday, and the first rounds of surgery were yesterday. And they found ligament damage in 2 crushed vertebrae or something in his back.
That's life-changing, like it was always he thought.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
He can move, so that's positive. They're 95.